Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Acura RDX. Unleash luxury and power. Discover the 2013 Acura RDX W/Tech today. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Acura has less than 168,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Experience power and luxury. Drive the 2013 Acura RDX W/Tech today. With its robust 3.5L V6 engine delivering 273 HP, it offers exhilarating performance. Featuring a stunning Basque Red Pearl II exterior and parchment-colored interior, it's both stylish and comfortable. With impressive fuel efficiency of 20 mpg city and 28 highway, it's perfect for road trips. Plus, with a clean Carfax report and excellent overall condition, it's ready for a new adventure. Don't miss out, test drive now. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.